用咗足足44個鐘頭搭巴士，橫跨成個坦桑尼亞 M 一個女仔單拖包團，喺森林度跑到索晒氣，就係為咗追隨傳奇 Jay Goodall 嘅足跡。山長水又遠，又危險又貴又盛，究竟啲黑猩猩有咩咁大魔力啊？為咗去睇黑猩猩，我 book 咗非洲最豪華嘅長途巴士，由首都大薩拉走到去同剛果接壤嘅偏僻小鎮 Kigoma。
我就準備喺 Kigoma 上船，咁就係呢一架船，其實都好危險，要搭2個鐘頭。So it takes 2 hours.
Yeah, 1 hour and a half up to 2 hours to get there.
Okay, so it's in the other end.
No, so the northern side of here. So you go around the mountain, as you can see there.
Oh, okay.
That's where they're going to be.
Uh-huh.
So it's about 24 kilometers from here to there.
Oh, okay.
It's the park there.
It's
It's
a
the park there.
park guide. Okay. Thank you.
今日咧就我終於搭咗10個鐘頭嘅車程，由大薩拉去到呢一個Kigoma地方。琴晚你坐喺度轉咗一個相對上係要爬山嘅比較貴嘅酒店啦，遊船，咁就瞓咗一晚好覺。咁而家咧今日咧就入去咧出發咧去呢一個Gombe National Park 啦。
Gombe National Park 係全球最細嘅國家公園之一，面積只有35平方公里，但就係呢個地方改寫咗人類嘅歷史。
呢一個 National Park 咧，對比起相加自己嘅 National Park 咧，其實係應該係少嘅啦。所以我揾咗咁耐都揾唔到車啦。所以就要做翻嘅。有成架船一齊開嘅，咁我就將自己咧就交俾咗個 park 嘅 guide 啦，架船嘅 captain。What is the name of this lake?
Lake Tanganyika.
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 Tanganyika 呢個就係 Lake Tanganyika 啦。咁其實經佢咁樣。
The longest lake in the world.
Is it?
Longest
The longest lake in the world.
Yeah, 675 kilometers.
600.
75.
675 kilometers.
From north
the
to
lake.
south.
From the north to south.
And it's the second deepest lake in the world.
And it is the second deepest lake in the world, which I don't know swimming. I forgot this boat is not going to sink.
For 1,475 meters deep.
1,000, wow, 1000米咁深，咁所以其實真係好深。
And it's a lake with a big volume of fresh water.
Huh? The biggest volume of fresh water.
Yeah, it's a big volume of fresh water. 18% of all fresh water in the world is in this lake.
而家有你好啱，但係喺香港嚟之前，其實就係計會做呢樣嘢。咁但係因為Dr. Jay Goodall 又即係最近手咗啦，咁又令我歐地啦，其實我都可以去嗰個即係研究黑猩猩嘅原因，就係呢一個嘅部分。
1960年，當年只有26歲嘅 Jay Goodall 嚟到呢度，第一次發現黑猩猩都識得製造同埋使用工具，打破咗只有人類先係工具使用者嘅定論，震驚咗成個科學界。雖然呢個 trip 真係好難安排，但係我心諗阿 Jay 當年26歲都去到，冇理由我唔得啫。到埗登記吓，原來呢一日得5個遊客咁大把。真係好冷門啊！為咗保育公園裏邊嘅野生黑猩猩，呢度都有唔少遊客規矩㗎，例如係一定要戴口罩啦，同猩猩要保持10米嘅距離，仲有同一班猩猩就唔可以觀賞超過1個鐘。Hi, we are waiting for the chimpanzee to appear again, and we are waiting for the signal from the check. King Ranger. Mr. James. Yeah, someone will look for the chips for us and we'll just go find them. But we are lucky today that we can see the chimps today so quickly. 今日嘅天氣好好。
多謝。但係咧行呢度都好辛苦。其實呢個樹林係比我想象之中好行，因為至少唔會好高嘅石級，咁同埋啲地都好曳嘅。不過喺度追嗰啲星星，其實真係氣來氣轉，我完全唔知道阿 J 可以點樣做到，所以係咯。咁唔知揾到之後係咪即係而家係已經1個鐘定係點？有人 call 啦。
Huku ameshuka kabisa huko chini.
Oh, okay. So I have to walk fast. I have to walk fast. 而家我科呢邊
跑上跑落半個鐘頭之後，我哋終於見到第一班黑猩猩坐喺我哋面前食嘢啦。
但係我而家後邊就係個 chimpanzee 啊，佢喺度吊緊啲蟲喺度食，喺個窿嗰度。咁佢哋好超，我哋講嘢佢哋都好反應㗎，但係我哋就唔可以太近咯，同埋要戴口罩，因為驚嗰啲 disease 會傳染俾佢哋，互相傳染咯。
Nimeacha mtu safari kama 2021 sijui kama alikuwa tayari aonekane alikuwa ameshaga.
黑猩猩平時主要食水果、樹葉、堅果同埋昆蟲，但係佢哋有時都會捉下啲小動物嚟食。你睇下，佢而家用條棍喺度吊緊啲白蟻嚟食啊！當年 Jay Goodall 就係觀察到呢一幕，先至改寫到人類對動物嘅認知。第一日嘅行程話咁快就完，冇嘢做，去浸下水先。
扮游水，其實我唔係游水嘅，我只不過喺度扮嘅啫。但係呢個係一個好深嘅嘢，個深就去到1000米，所以其實都好驚。咁而家就得我一個人喺個湖嗰度，一個人都冇㗎。
其實黑猩猩同人類有99% 嘅 DNA 係一樣，係我哋喺地球上面最近嘅親戚，所以同我哋嘅情感同埋社會結構都好類似。
咁而家咧，我就喺度睇到啲 chimpanzee 啦。咁佢喺我哋後邊，頭先好近，佢哋好似喺度傾偈咁，佢哋唔驚人嘅，同埋我哋好 peaceful 咁一齊。而家我哋距離就到3步嘅距離咯，好興奮，真係值得嘅。咁辛苦走咗過嚟，不過我啲相可能唔係影得好好，不過親身睇到真係好感動。
好多人都問我點解會唔驚黑猩猩，我都唔知點解㗎。可能係因為我覺得我哋對望嘅時候，其實同望住一個人冇咩分別。你睇下佢，係咪好似街邊有個阿叔望住你咁啊？ 喂，科普下先，我嚟之前呢，其實都唔識得分咩叫黑猩猩，咩叫大猩猩嘅。但係原來呢，大猩猩嘅體重呢就係黑猩猩嘅4倍，而大猩猩頭頂呢就有一條突出嘅骨脊，黑猩猩呢就係一般平頭裝，所以呢，一眼就會分到㗎啦。
我終於嚟到呢個 Jane's Peak 啦。咁佢當年就係都因為啲 chimps 咧仲未習慣人類喺度咧，咁所以佢每日咧都會喺個 peak 嗰度咧就喺度放對變翻嗰啲 chimps 嘅 behaviour。咁其實係好遠，同埋成個樹林咁樣，即係你喺度望咧，其實係好辛苦。我唔係好明，我今日上嚟其實即係氣來氣喘，同埋係條路係好艱辛。雖然唔係 super， 但係都辛苦啊！每日咁樣上上落落。所以呢個角景真係好靚。我終於嚟到 Jane's Peak 啦！啊，好犀利啊！
Jane Goodall 當年就喺呢個位置，每日上山望住對面嘅森林，觀察黑猩猩。佢嗰年得26歲，一個女仔，冇人相信佢會做得到。我喺度諗，為咗追隨自己嘅信念，究竟我可以去到幾盡呢
？44個鐘巴士車程，5000幾蚊，索晒氣。喂，睇完有乜得咗先？
我相信人類應該要去有一個人類嘅 future 係應該我哋要有啲嘢去做，令到佢繼續 survive 到16咯。
呢個旅程令我相信，無論一件事有幾難，只要真係想做，就要堅持落去，最後尾都一定會做到。
想知 M 喺坦桑尼亞仲有咩歷險？咁就記得 comment、like 同 subscribe 啦！